my name is Rakshita Ritanya from class 3D. Today I am going to speak about my project. The topic of my project is rainwater harvesting project. So first, let me speak about what is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a collection of rainwater for later use. In rainy days, the floodings are very common in rainy days. In summer, there will be very less water. So it is very. We can collect rainwater from rooftops. It is stored in tanks or underground pits. This water can be used for plants and cleaning. It reuses water storage. It saves underground water for future use.